How to upload video in Google Drive and share the link. So first of all, you need to open up Google Drive in your device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. Now, to upload a video, all you have to do is head over to the top left corner. There you will see this new button or plus new button. You have to click on it. And from this menu bar, click on File Upload. Now from your device, select the video that you want to upload and click on Open. Now you have to wait for a while until your video gets uploaded into your drive. Once the video is uploaded, you can refresh your page and there you go. This is the video that I have uploaded recently. Now to share the link for this video, head towards these three dots icon next to that and click on it. Now from here, click on Share. Here you can either copy the link or click on Share. And in this drop down, here it says General Access. Under that, click on this drop down and here you can select anyone with the link. So anyone whoever has the link of this video will be able to access your video, view your video and download it. Now to copy the link, click on Copy Link. Now you can share the link for your video. And that's how you can upload video in Drive and share the link. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.